NGAI Dairy Farm, I started it together with my husband 6 years ago. We started with 3 cows. We have a total now of 16 cows. At first they were for free range, and when it was free range we were getting only the same number of cows. We are getting 30 to 50 liters. At the moment these cows are giving us between 90 and 105 per day. We are milking only 6 cows. The highest gives us 22 liters. The least gives us 8 liters. Our target and our vision is to see ourselves producing 600 liters of milk within the period of 2 years. But now at the time there is a challenge of milk, of market, because all the institutions were closed because of coronavirus. We have nowhere to sell our milk, so we have decided to donate the milk to the institutions. Even before corona, the challenge of market was there. So we feel that we should start up a store, a milk store in Gulu, where we can take milk and collect milk from other farmers if funds were available. To have a cooler, deep freezer, hire a room in the city, because Gulu is becoming a city now. But of course it is very difficult. We have tried it to feed these cows on silage and grass where you have to cut with a panga. At least if we could have a silage cutter, and then we get a milk, a silage banker, there it can help us. Because now we have decided to make them free. At the moment there are no feeds. Reason being, we grow the maize, but we had now cutter. No one can cut 2 acres of land with a panga. It's very difficult. This farm is standing on 56 acres of land. There is enough land, there is enough grass. What we are doing is to clear, remove the bushes and make it clear the way you are seeing down here. We have created this drinking pot so that the cows don't move far to look for water. When they are eating from the other part down, there is another drinking pot down there. But this one helps them even during the night, during the day, because we purchased a solar which helps us pump water. Those boys who drilled it did not go further. They stopped at 50 feet. If we can add 10 feet more, if funds were allowing, then it can give us enough capacity to water these animals and other things around, and also for family use. That's the challenge we have. That solar was at 3.3 million, and we are servicing it for 2 years. So another challenge is of this shade, termites. In this area there are lots of termites which eat up. Even we are trying to fence, the poles fall. Instead of using timber, wood, here we need to use metal, and metal are expensive. We have the iron sheets, we have the concrete down, so if we can get poles to support the iron sheets up, then it can work the way we have designed it. Some of these cows we didn't buy them. We crossbreed them from the local cows. We have about 4 of them. We gave it a cross bull, and it has produced that brown one. You see the size? And that one has produced this one. This one is a very good heifer. It is encalved by a Frisian bull. It is going to give a very good crop. I just advise farmers around, instead of traveling 1,500 kilometers to Bushenyi, Western Uganda, or if we can get this artificial semen, we can crossbreed our cows. They give you cows first cross, second cross, eventually find you have crosses for milk. There is a cow here which came from the local cow. Now it gives us 14 liters a day. You can't compare it with the local cows where you get only 1 cup. So my desire, our desire, is that since we have enough land, we can help the farmers. If we are given help from people who can assist us, donors, so that we crossbreed and we give the cows to the people here, farmers in Northern Uganda. Allen Kahungu Moro, on behalf of my husband, Dr. KILAMA Moro, and on behalf of NGAI Dairy Farm.